Retro box cards opening edition, 91 full color trading cards, limited edition of 3000 numbered complete sets, 9 coloring cards. FernGully The Last Rainforest, my favorite animation movie from childhood. Dark flip cards incorporated here, right? Certifies this complete collector's edition of FernGully The Last Rainforest. Trading cards is number 211 of only 3000 sets produced. Small but golden box of retro cards. FernGully, dark-haired little fairy from the forest. Krista, 100 cards, including coloring cards. Oh, they're different from the back. Naughty. There will be a lot of horizontal cards. Pips. Pips and Krista. Pips and Krista again. The bat and Krista. The monster that wanted to cut the forest. Wig. Little flies. Zach, his name was Zach. Coloring card. Wow, giant snake. The lizard. Krista. Krista again. The bat, Pips and Krista. Krista's own or mother, I don't remember. Krista and the bat. Zach and Krista. Zach and the others. Krista in the forest, Zach and the bat. Fang, another coloring card. Buffy, Coda. Lake, very beautiful car. Pips, the flute, the bat, Zach and Krista. Pips, coloring card. Krista and Zach from the Two Worlds. Zach and Krista, amazing cards so far. Amazing. They're from 1994 maybe. Very old. Zach and Krista. Bugs, rainforest again, very beautiful. Stump beetle, rainforest. Zack in the rainforest, upside down. Zack and the lizard. Krista and Auntie, the rainforest and the mushrooms, very beautiful. Coloring card, Maggie Loom, her name was Maggie Loom. Beautiful coloring card. The lizard. Zach, Bugs, Krista again. Beautiful Krista again. Little animals, I don't know what they are. Maybe squirrels. Zack in the fight with the machine. The guys that run the machine. Buddy, Krista and other friend. Krista and Buddy. Rainforest. Pips and Krista. Wig coloring card. Krista and Buddy. Golden card. Smoke, the machine. Krista under a leaf. So different, amazing. The monster smoke from the machine. Zack, Krista and the lizard. The rainforest again, very beautiful. Buddy and Pips. The two heron-looking birds. The rainforest above. Coloring card, Naughty. Krista and a platypus. I don't remember that. Krista hugging Patty. Hips, Patty Coda, the Lizard and Zach, Krista stepping on the head of Zach. Typical. Beautiful card. Underground in a cave. Zach carried by Buddy. Tips the others. Ash, oldest firefly, coloring garden on the other side of snake, fighting. Krista and Buddy. Krista and Auntie. Amazing picture of Krista again. Beautiful as hell. The rainforest during the day. The two birds and Krista. Zach, Buddy, smile, Krista. Zach and Krista, Buddy and Krista, Buddy, Krista, and the rain lizard, the rainforest, Krista and Buddy, Ock and Rock are their names. Iguana lizard in the rainforest. That's his name. Auntie. Is there a name of her? Iguana and Zach, Hips and the others. The rainforest, very beautiful. Krista, the oldest firefly. Buddy and the others. Rainforest again. Beautiful rainforest and glowing little mushrooms on the tree. Magical movie. Krista, Zach and the others. Magilune, yes. And the last card. Buddy. These are the titles of the cards, probably. Think globally, act locally, collision course, lungs of the earth, a new day, the forest song, life is a magic thing, magical creatures, crystals active, body coda, magilune. Little boys, stump, quick, naughty, bark, symphony of noise, sky's the limit, above the canopy, warning on the horizon, look out below, spread news, knock and off, endless sky, the web of life, balance of nature, spirit of destruction, powers of nature, music, body color rise, dazed and confused, flying free, human tails. Oh, a lot more. 100. Battered and bruised, body wraps, erratic logic, last piece in the world, X marks the spot, at the controls, ants don't wear shoes, bad dreams, who's the monster, leave it to Zach, dinner time, I'm gonna eat you, and so on. Amazing cars. The list is unfortunately a little bit damaged to the edge, and so on until 100. Check this. Amazing retro box of my favorite childhood movie. And the end of the video.